Hey, future cyber guardians and aspiring ethical hackers. Did you know that mastering the right tools can dramatically accelerate your journey into cybersecurity and even slash penetration test times in half? In the next few minutes, we're diving deep into the top 5 ethical hacking tools every beginner must master in 2025 to build essential skills, advance their careers, and outsmart today's sophisticated cyber threats. Get ready to level up your security awareness. In the dynamic landscape of 2025, cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's a critical mission. Professional ethical hackers and IT professionals rely on specialized tools not just for efficiency, but to gain a strategic advantage. These powerful applications automate complex tasks, enhance accuracy, and allow you to focus on critical thinking and problem solving. The evolving threat landscape demands that we stay ahead, constantly refining our skills. Efficient tools are your best allies in this continuous learning process, helping you automate reconnaissance, uncover more vulnerabilities, and ultimately build a robust understanding of system weaknesses. Mastering them is a direct path to significant skill development and career advancement in the cybersecurity field. First up, the undisputed king of network discovery, Nmap. This incredible tool remains the gold standard for mapping networks, identifying live hosts, open ports, and running services. For any beginner, understanding Nmap is fundamental to grasping network fundamentals and reconnaissance. In 2025, Nmap's powerful scripting engine, NSE, is more vital than ever, allowing you to automate vulnerability detection and gather deeper intelligence. Learning Nmap isn't just about running commands. It's about developing a foundational skill that is indispensable for penetration testers, network administrators, and security analysts alike. It's your first step towards comprehensive security awareness. Next, for anyone eyeing web application security, Burp Suite Community Edition is your essential companion. This free proxy allows you to intercept, inspect, and manipulate web traffic between your browser and web servers. It's absolutely crucial for understanding how web applications communicate and identifying common vulnerabilities. Burp Suite empowers you to perform spider crawling, discover hidden content, and even launch basic intruder attacks to test authentication mechanisms. Mastering Burp Suite is a direct pathway to understanding the OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities and becoming proficient in web application penetration testing. This practical skill is highly sought after in the cybersecurity job market. Ever wondered what's truly happening on your network? Wireshark is your window into the raw network packets, allowing you to capture and analyze data flowing across your network interfaces. It's an indispensable tool for protocol debugging, network troubleshooting, and deep dive security analysis. In 2025, with increasingly complex and encrypted traffic, Wireshark's robust filtering capabilities and updated protocol support are more critical than ever. Learning to navigate Wireshark will significantly enhance your security awareness, enabling you to identify suspicious activities, understand communication patterns, and even reconstruct data streams. It's a core skill for network forensics and incident response. Ready to move from discovery to exploitation? The Metasploit Framework is an open-source penetration testing platform that automates exploit delivery and post-exploitation tasks. It's an incredible learning tool for beginners, providing a safe environment to understand how vulnerabilities are exploited and how to secure systems against them. Metasploit's constantly updated exploit database ensures you're working with relevant and current attack vectors. Mastering MSF Console and its vast array of modules, including the powerful MeterPreter shell, will significantly boost your ethical hacking capabilities. This tool is a cornerstone for anyone serious about a career in penetration testing or red teaming. Finally, let's talk about password security with John the Ripper. This powerful open-source password cracking tool is essential for auditing password strength and identifying weak credentials. Learning to use John the Ripper will teach you about common password attack techniques like wordless attacks and brute force methods. With password complexity continually increasing in 2025, understanding how passwords are cracked is key to building more resilient security policies. John the Ripper also supports GPU acceleration, demonstrating how modern computing power impacts security. This practical skill is vital for security auditors and anyone focused on improving organizational security posture. The true power of these tools emerges when you learn to combine them into a seamless workflow. Imagine using Nmap for initial reconnaissance, then Burp Suite to analyze web traffic, followed by Metasploit to exploit a discovered vulnerability, and finally, John the Ripper to audit compromised credentials. This integrated approach is what professional ethical hacking is all about. Learning to adapt your toolchain to different scenarios, whether it's a web application pen test, a network security audit, or a forensic investigation, is a crucial skill. This practical application of your knowledge will solidify your understanding and prepare you for real-world challenges. It's about building a comprehensive skill set for career advancement. So, which of these incredible tools will you dive into first? The journey to becoming a skilled ethical hacker, a proficient IT professional, or a cybersecurity expert begins with hands-on practice. Each tool offers a unique pathway to skill development and enhanced security awareness. Don't just watch, start experimenting. Comment below and tell us which tool you're most excited to master, or share your favorite ethical hacking tip. Smash that like button if you found this guide helpful, and hit subscribe and the bell icon for more cutting-edge cybersecurity insights and practical tutorials for 2025 and beyond. Your ethical hacking adventure starts now. Stay curious, stay ethical, and stay secure.